Assalamu Alikum everyone. I hope you all is good and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Today I'm going to share the recipe of the Daal Palik. For the recipe, I already pre-soaked the dal, half cup of moong dal and half cup of masoor dal. Then I boiled them. On the other hand, I had boiled frozen spinach for the 5 minutes. You can use the fresh vegetable, or I mean to say, you can use the fresh spinach. Then I grind them. I added the one green chili and half cup of water and grind them. After that, I added the ginger garlic paste into the oil. Cook them for the 30 seconds. Then added the 1 teaspoon of the cumin seed. I mean zira, sabit zira. Then I added the small onion. I cooked until that color turned into the light brown. The flame should be the medium low. Then I added the one medium size of a tomato to make the paste of them. All ingredients detail available in the description box. Then I add the basic spices, salt as per taste, green chili again as per taste, but I use the half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, and turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Make the paste. Then I added the boiled pulses जो हमने पहले boil की थी मूंग and मसूर दाल. So now I added them. Now it's time to add the spinach. Mix them with the pulse and spices. Whole spices is again it's important ingredient for the fragrance, for the aroma. So cover it for the 15 minutes. Time by time you can check it. ये आपके ऊपर है आप कितनी कंसिस्टेंसी रखनी चाहते हैं. आई लाइक टू द मीडियम कंसिस्टेंसी, ना ज़्यादा थिक हो ना ज़्यादा पतली हो. सो मैंने अपने हिसाब से रखा है, ये आपके हिसाब से है कि आप कितनी कंसिस्टेंसी रखते हैं. सो इट्स नाउ तड़का टाइम. एट द एंड आई गिव द तड़का ऑफ द गार्लिक. I had taken 4 to 5 clove of the garlic and 2 green chili and 1 teaspoon of the cumin seed. I gave it the tarka. So dal palak is ready to serve. Believe me, it's a very nice aroma. I hope you would try and enjoy the new recipe. If you like my recipe, so you have to share with your family and friends and like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the icon button for my next video. Thank you so much. अपना और अपने प्यारों का ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.